Hello. For some of you, it may have been a while since we've chatted. I just wanted to pop in, say hello. I know a lot of people have put their home search on hold, but while interest rates are dropping a little bit, it might be a great time to think about jumping back in. So I wanted to share with you guys an exclusive buying opportunity that we're putting together. So if you have a neighborhood that you're interested in, or if you have a particular area and you see a house that you're thinking about, but it might need a little bit of work, let's talk about the options here. So, I've put together an exclusive buying opportunity for you guys. Now, if you find a house that you're interested but it needs work, let's talk about getting a renovation loan or a fixer upper FHA 203K loan. So, those are some options. You would purchase the house and would put together a budget for the renovations. And this is all something that I will help you do. So, I will help you with the budget, getting the contractors, and I will act as the project manager on that project for you to get you to the completion and a home of your dreams. So, let's take this house, for example. If you love North Brookfield, you love this neighborhood, and you've got more of a first-time home buyer budget, this one's priced at 235. Say we could get you a pre-approved for 350-ish, then we could come in here and do $100,000 worth of renovations, and you could have the house of your dreams. So of course, we'd do a little fresh updating here on the outside. We can paint the outside. Would want to make sure that this paint, depending on when the house was built, we want to make sure that it's not lead-based paint. If so, we'll take care of that, have the paint removed and refresh whatever color you're interested in. Remove any wood rot and all of that. This is a front porch. So what I've done in previous renovations is I've actually bumped this front porch out, and made this the exterior wall that goes into the house. And this whole porch area will become part of your living room. So it might be 2 feet, 3 feet. It actually looks like maybe it could be about around 3 to 4 feet. You would get that extra space in your living room. So now you've added on additional square footage inside your home. So you won't have a front porch anymore, but you will have additional space inside your home. So in here, this is the kitchen. Of course, we would do all new flooring, all new cabinets, appliances, and we'd get rid of this drop ceiling here and do a drywall ceiling as well and put in recessed lights. So you've got ceiling lights. So cabinets, of course, all new countertops, backsplash, we would do all of that. Then you've got your staircase here. I don't know what's going on here with the plastic. Probably, maybe they were starting to work, but you would need to get insulation in there and drywall. Of course, we'll take this wood paneling off and refresh that, get rid of the drop ceiling and consistent flooring throughout. Same thing in here, flooring, unless you love this flooring, then we would just do consistent flooring throughout, get rid of the drop ceiling, paint. And then this, you can, oh, that's maybe not be the space, but this is your living room space. So just to refresh there. This is your bathroom. It's a little tight. So we would probably get rid of these baseboard heating and do the, sorry, why is it completely phasing me? I'm losing the name. Mini splits. We would do mini splits in each of the rooms, so that you get rid of this baseboard heating and it gives you a little bit of extra square footage, but of course, completely refresh. These are plastic walls. So take all of this out and a complete refresh. We can get rid of that closet there and do a bigger stand-up shower. Of course, new vanity, new flooring, paint, new toilet. This is one bedroom, of course, get rid of all of this, these walls and ceilings, put drywall in, new flooring. And if we can expand in any way with a dormer, we can absolutely do that as well. Again, get rid of that baseboard heating, put a mini split system in there. Then you've got two other bedrooms in this house that are a little bit tight. So maybe if we can add a dormer, it would feel a little bit bigger. If we can get rid of the ceiling and go all the way up and vault it, it could feel a little bit bigger. So just finding different ways to make it feel bigger. And of course, getting rid of the flooring, getting rid of the ceilings, the repainting, all new flooring throughout, and just refreshing it. So then that's your hallway. Staircase, of course, a refresh. So that's just something that we're working on now, putting together. If it's something that you would be interested in, looking at fixer uppers and talking about a renovation to make sure that we can get your dream home, see if it's possible. If there's somewhere in the area that you're like, I love this neighborhood and I really want to get in there, let's talk about it. Let's see what possibilities there are. There are always opportunities out there, and I would love to help you find those opportunities. So if we can work together on renovating a home so that we can get a house in your price point to make sure that you find your dream home, Or if there's a neighborhood you're interested in and I can send flyers, I can door knock, I can get to know the neighbors, see if anybody's interested in selling. I can also do that. Let me know how I can help you. And if you're interested in this program, definitely let me know. I would love to sit down with you and talk about it a little bit more, see how I can help you and get you to the home buying process. So I look forward to chatting with you. Let's grab coffee hopefully soon. I would love to catch up.